Everything we do and aspire to do is dependent on time. It takes time to build and nurture our relationships so we can enjoy interactions with good company. It takes time to work and build a career so we can make an impact on this world and afford what we want and need. It takes time to exercise enough to make a positive impact in our health, and it takes time to groom ourselves morning, night, so we can look and feel our best. Yeah, it takes time to clean up our homes and keep them well-stocked and organized so we can function in them easily and happily. It takes time to read our Bibles in depth enough to gain a good understanding of Scripture. It takes time to plan vacations and to enjoy vacations so we can live out our dreams. The list goes on. Everything we do is dependent on time, which is likely why we feel like we never have enough of it. And time is finite. We only get but so much time, so we have to use it wisely. We only get 60 minutes each hour, 24 hours each day, and we should be sleeping for 8 of those hours, so we might as well say we only get 16 hours a day. Sometimes we put things off for another time or waste time away as if we have all the time in the world. But time isn't forever. We only get 7 days a week, 12 months a year, and tomorrow is not promised. So if we want to succeed in anything, we've got to succeed in our time management as well, starting today. Easier said than done, I know. That's why I post YouTube videos and classes to help you succeed with disciplined time management techniques. And since everything we do is dependent on good time management, I made workbooks with easy-to-follow routines that can help you stick to better time management habits, to stick with your fitness journey, to keep up your prayer and Bible study consistently, to make ample time for relationships, and to help you keep your home clean and organized consistently. You can find links to all these on my website, trulythrivinglives.org, and it's also linked in the description below. But yeah, it's an intimidating thought. How we manage our time impacts every area of our lives. Because what if we don't manage our time well? That would negatively impact almost everything and ensue a lot of chaos. But we can use time management's widespread impact as an opportunity used for our benefit. We can improve our success in every area of life simply by doing this one thing, by living with more disciplined time management. It's so worth the effort because the positive impact is exponential. For the sake of time, don't let another moment go by. Start living with better time management from this moment on and enjoy all the success in every area that comes with it.